Fenders ready? In position?
They say this is the best diesel in the area. Triple filtered, so I'll take it.
We settled into our in-tie slip at Ingram Bay Marina, and James got to work preparing Lost Cat for the impending hurricane. After a little bit of work, we put things on pause, borrowed the marina car, and headed out into town.
Here.
Those are
What?
sour grapes. Those
You're not supposed to eat the grapes.
Gotta see that. Look at all the grapes.
Bushels and bushels.
Okay.
Ready to check out the inside?
I'm ready to check it out. The tasting room.
Come on in.
Oh. Thank you very much. Oh, look at that.
There's full sails inside here.
Loving the nautical theme. So Chase from Richmond.
Yes, sir.
Where are we going now?
We're going to the winery.
I like that.
It's all in oak barrels.
What's the process?
I don't really know, to be honest.
And
I
who's
would not
buried
be
in
the guy.
here? That's the most important question.
It's actually, if you open it up, it's actually, it's a cutout of Obama, actually.
Oh.
It was a joke one year. It was a joke.
This is
yeah.
a Republican refinery.
Yeah.
This is it?
That's it. It's nothing.
it?
It's not too
amazing.
big. Here it is.
I'm telling you, we should start a winery. They'll take some of these big barrels and they'll put them on ocean-going cargo ships,
Yeah.
and they'll just stay on the boat for years.
Right.
And the motion of the ocean and all that adds to the flavor, and the salt air goes through there.
That's
pretty
there you go.
rad.
I think you found your niche.
Like they have
You wanna get into
whiskeys,
wine,
they have
that'd be
whiskey,
sweet.
and you just sailed it around the world and then you sell it.
That'd be
That's
sweet.
interesting, yeah.
They have whiskeys like that.
Magellan whiskey is what we call it. If you know Magellan, you remember him?
I know Magellan. And we were pals back in the day.
That's right.
Actually, my uncle Nicholas named the Magellan spacecraft.
No kidding. That's cool.
So we picked our favorite vino and grabbed a spot outside to enjoy the calm before the storm.
Yeah, cheers. This doesn't suck.
No, it doesn't. This is really nice.
We will in 2 days. Rolling hitch. Wind's gonna come like here. A lot of it. I'm kind of doing a bridle with a rolling hitch to hold the boat off of the dock. Feed me, Seymour.
That's tight.
Bring it up to the wind.
Tell us what you got set up here.
Kedged off the dock. We have winds coming from the southeast. Lots of them. 40 miles an hour, gusting to 60. So I kedged our fortress anchor to pull us off the dock because that's southeast. Pretty protected in here. So hopefully this will hold for a little while before we start banging against the dock. All right. We'll see how that works. What do you think, Kirby? You in the thick of it now? Yeah, let's check the weather. Right. That's where we're at now. So this is tracking to the east. See if we can zoom out. There you go, just getting pelted. 44. Yeah. It's fine, Scottish weather rather. The rain's pretty much coming straight down. A lot to the side. That kedge anchor's not working out too well. Dual bow line. Dressed up. Get this guy sleeping. This one working. Ah, switched around. We're on the backside. We had the little eye of the storm come through. Now we're getting blown off the dock, which is nice. Not too bad. Going 25. 25 and raining.
They just crawl in there on their own?
Nope.
No.
Yeah, they crawl in after I put them in.
Oh.
These things don't move. These things are, they grow in one spot.
Hi. What do you got there? Got Billy?
I've got a couple shrimp. That's my story. I'm sticking to it.
What kind of oysters are these?
These are native. These are local Chesapeake Bay, Ingram Bay variety.
Ingram Bay. Special.
Sorry if they grew here.
Hello?
Not the hybrids they're growing up the creek?
No, these are natural. These are real deal. Yeah, these are 4-year-old oysters.
Couldn't tell from the outside if there's anything good in there to eat.
Who was the first person to eat
Yeah,
an oyster,
right.
you know what I mean? It was like a rock.
Well, I think word was that the Indians saw the birds picking stuff up, clams and all, and dropping them.
Oh.
They break and then the birds come down and get them. They're like,
And the Indians said, how the heck are we going to get up that high?
Yeah.
I know.
Actually, you know what, William? You're sitting there, just grab this thing and shake it back and forth real well out in the water. I usually do it. A lot of that. See, this is almost there. We don't have many. Once again, this is probably going to be a taste test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, he's dead. Dadgummit. It's a big one. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we can throw the little peeler back.
Oh, they're eating that one.
Yeah, he's dead. Oh, tasty. And then see this underneath? See, it's rusty and then purple.
Yeah.
That purple means it's getting ready to bust. And the last thing you do, and you don't want to bust this shell here, but you can feel up underneath the corner.
Soft.
And it's actually busted a little bit. She's getting ready to go.
Back right out of that body and start a new one.
And that's when they're most vulnerable, when they have no shell.
Opens this way, she backs out, claws, everything come out wiggling, and she'll be about 30% bigger. She'll be about that long.
Really?
Wow.
And how long does it take to harden up the next one?
Yeah.
She turns paper
Well, for
in
this one, I
about
think.
4 hours.
This is after the storm party. Power's out here, and Captain Billy said that's not a problem. We're gonna have a cookout. So everybody's here. You got fresh oysters, crabs, ready to get it done. So we got the oysters on the grill. Did you say something about summertime oysters? You definitely want to cook them, type thing?
You should. Yeah, there are bacteria in the water, and you just want to be a little bit more careful. If you eat them raw, you want to eat them fresh, straight out of the water.
Oh, something's happening in this pot. What's going on in there? Let's see. Oh,
See, trying to get out.
All right. A little spice on them.
Yeah, we got a little Old Bay spice on them.
A little bit of water in the bottom. Steam them out.
Those guys are done?
Oh no, they're still moving.
Oh.
That was the move.
This is Spanish mackerel. How do I know it's Spanish? Because they said, "Si, senor." Put on it.
Yeah.
Very scientific.
Lemon pepper.
Lemon pepper. We got a little bit of dill.
Yes. Show us how it's done. Oh, they pop right open.
Pop right open there.
They do.
That's a smaller boat. Oh my God, we gotta wait. Again, you have to build that matrix and see like, how well it's
The next day, we were invited by Captain Billy aboard his fishing boat for a very special mission.
We're gonna head now with Captain Billy. Go see his son on his first tour, Glen Cable. So they're gonna come up, and we're gonna go see if we can wave high.
He'll be like, who are those people?
Let's go.
Are you excited to see your son?
Oh my gosh, this is a chance of a lifetime.
We captured their touching reunion on the water and made a short video for them to commemorate the moment. Enjoy.
So Captain Billy and Mary, where are we going? We're gonna go see your son.
Yeah, it's his first job since graduating college, and his first tour on his first job, and it's a proud moment.
How many days has he been out at sea?
Yeah, 82.
82 days.
to sea. Yep. And he's coming back to Baltimore tonight, and we're going to go out and intercept him on his way up the bay, right around the Cut Channel, coming up to Buoy 62, and have a big time while we're doing it.
Go give him a little wave and salute. Nice.
Right now, he's back up to 12 knots. through the cut channel, or are you going to stay outside?
We just exited the cut channel. We're going to start heading north right towards Smith Point.
Roger that. We're right here at the RP. Ahead of it, we're going to shadow you for a little while, take some pictures. One of our fellows on board.
Okay, sounds good. Appreciate the call. Have a good day.
Roger that.
Well, is your boys aboard?